Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Lara the Yellow Ladybird. Authors Catherine Holtzhausen, Martha Evans, Nadene Kriel. Lara the Ladybird was a special bug. Unlike all her friends, she had bright yellow wings. Everyone loved her yellow wings. Each morning, Bibi Butterfly said hello, and Manto Mantis always waved. Even Sesa, the sulky spider, was happy to see her. At school, she played with lots of friends. But Lara wanted to be like the other ladybirds. "I wish I had red wings like you, Mama," she cried. So one day, to cheer her up, Lara's mother painted her wings bright red. The next morning, nobody greeted Lara on her way to school. And when she got there, none of her friends said hello. Lara sat all alone. No one noticed her new red wings until Miss Miya spotted her and said, "You've painted your lovely yellow wings?" Lara's classmates were shocked. "Your wings are special, so unique, so rare." "Lara," Miss Miya said, "your yellow wings are what make you you. Like Sipho's spot and Sally's legs." Back home, Lara took a long bath and scrubbed until her golden wings gleamed. "I'll never paint my wings again," she thought. "Except maybe once or twice, to try a bit of purple or something nice. But not forever and just for fun."
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.